This is ServiceNow University. For this, go to the browser, type ServiceNow login. In this first one only you can get it. So first we will create our ServiceNow account. So I have already account. So I am going to create the new account also, new user. Give your mail ID. Sri Hari MD 9963. Give your mail ID and this is my details and select your country, your nation, India. Select state and give your password. Sorry, set your password. Then select I am not robot. Select the by skills. Verify. Then check this box. Click on sign up. See, thank you. ServiceNow ID has been created for with you. ServiceNow in this mail ID. This application is requires to verify your email address. So open your mail ID. So see here in this mail, verify your ServiceNow ID. So click on verify now. Verify email address. Thank you. Then enter that password what you given previously. Then click on sign in. Now you are officially sign in with your service now. So present no need this all things. Click on skip. So this is your service now portal. So we are going to start with ServiceNow University. Why? Because we are learning this practically. And this is the ServiceNow community and this is the ServiceNow developer portal. This is engage control. This all things are the features in this ServiceNow. So this is ServiceNow University official portal. So here we can learn everything. And this is the ServiceNow official and main website, guys. Like my new products. These all are the ServiceNow products, IT, CRM, security, and risk. Many other have guys, app development, employee experience, etc. When you click this view all products you can get all details about this. This is all the industries where ServiceNow are using automotive, banking, insurance, life science, retail, national government, etc., healthcare, non-profit, telecom, technology providers, manufacturing and consumer packaged groups. In this all industries are ServiceNow using and learning. Once you click that learning, start learning our community. This is the service now community and developer resource, events, custom stories, everything. Okay. First, in this learning section, click on the start learning. It will redirect to the ServiceNow University. So this is the ServiceNow University. See, University of Venkata. So in this, click on my career journeys. So in career journeys or else come to the home, get started the ServiceNow University. So this is the basic introduction of the ServiceNow course, guys. This is the explore So if you are free, you can explore this all things. This all are this service now playlist. You can learn it practically by this ServiceNow University. So